हेलो गाइस, आज हम करने जा रहे हैं एनसीईआरटी सोल्यूशन ऑफ पैड टू द सन बुक के अ टेल ऑफ टू बर्ड्स चैप्टर का। चलो सॉल्यूशन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, हाउ डिड द टू बर्ड्स गेट सेपरेटेड। आंसर होगा, द टू बेबी बर्ड्स गेट सेपरेटेड बाय द विंड ऑफ द स्टॉर्म व्हिच ब्लू देम अवे टू द अदर साइड ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट। इतना ही आंसर लिखना था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, वेयर डिड ईच ऑफ देम फाइंड अ होम। ये पूछ रहा है कि उन दोनों में से दोनों कहाँ अपने होम पाए थे। आंसर क्या होगा, वन ऑफ द बेबी बर्ड फाउंड इट्स होम नियर अ केव वेयर अ गैंग ऑफ robbers lived, and the other baby bird found its home outside a rishis ashram. Question number 3, what did the first bird say to the stranger? Answer होगा, the first bird cried out to the stranger to hurry up as someone under the tree. He said to take his jewels and horse quickly, or else he will slip away. Question number 4, what did the second bird say to him? The second bird welcomed the king to the ashram. He requested the stranger to go inside the ashram, take some rest and make himself comfortable. He further added that the first bird was brother who had made friend with robbers, so he talked like them. Question number 5, how did the rishi explain different ways in which the birds behaved? The rishi explained that one is known by the company one keeps. Their behavior depends on the company. The first bird always heard the robbers and therefore talks about robbing people. The second bird lived near the ashram and therefore welcomed him inside. Question number 6, which one of the following sums up this story best? Option I, a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. 2, one is known by the company one keeps. 3, a friend in need is a friend indeed. करेक्ट आंसर होगा, one is known by the company one keeps. थैंक यू। अगले वीडियो में हम सेकेंड चैप्टर द फ्रेंडली मंगूस के एनसीईआरटी सोल्यूशन करेंगे।